So hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tinker Lab, and in today's video we are going to assemble this 4-wheel drive car chassis which I have ordered from Robo.in. You can also order this car kit from Robo.in. The link is in the description, and in our upcoming videos I will be programming this car kit with a different unique projects using Raspberry Pi Pico and Arduino Uno, and also we are using ESP8266. So stay tuned and let's see how to assemble this car kit. This is the car kit which I have ordered from Robo.in. Let's open it. So in the kit we have received this 4 wheels, then a packet. In this packet we will get this 4 BO motors, some cables to connect with this motor, a battery pack, and some nut bolts and a user manual. And in the last we also received this chassis where we mount all the motors and create our own robot car. So this chassis is basically a transparent sheet, but there is a wrap on the top of this chassis. So let's remove this first. So we have to remove this wrap first. I have removed all the wrap from this chassis, and now after removing it would look like something this. This is totally transparent chassis. Similarly, we have to remove the wrap from this fastener as well. This fastener will help you to connect the motor and keep connect with this chassis. So let's remove this as well. Similarly, I will remove all the wrap from this fastener. So all wrap are removed. Let's assemble our first motor. Make sure that before installing the motor on the chassis, you should solder this wire which I have got in the kit itself. So let's solder this wire first with our motor. So our all motors are perfectly soldered with the wire. Let's assemble this motor on the chassis. Okay, so for assembling the motor on the chassis, you have to use this fastener. Place it from here like this, and make sure that the direction of the wire is look like this. Then use another fastener and use a long screw. Now pass the screw from the motor. Use another screw and pass it like this, and you have to use this bolt to tight the screw. Take the screwdriver and fix the motor on the chassis. So our motor 1 is perfectly installed on the chassis. Let's install another motor, motor 2. Now follow the same step for motor 3 as well. And let's install the final motor, which is motor 4, in this direction, and follow the same step. So our all 4 motors are perfectly installed on the chassis. Okay. So in the kit we have received this code wheel which help you to monitor the rotational speed of the motor, and you will see one narrow side and the border side on this code wheel. So you have to keep this border side in towards the motor and install it like this. Now let's install this wheel with this motor. So keep the motor, keep the robot chassis like this. Check the direction of the wheel and place it like this. So the wheel is installed. The first wheel is installed. Now install another wheel. Now our assembly is almost done. We have to place this upper cover. Before that, we have to pass the wires from these spaces. And finally, to attach the upper cover, we have to use these spacers. Place it like this on these holes and tighten it with the screws. So I'll be placing it like this and tighten it with these screws so that it properly fixes the upper cover. In the same way, we have to tighten this with the bottom screw as well. Follow the same step for all 4 spacers. Now our 4-wheel robot car is ready. Car chassis is ready. And finally, install this battery holder using the double-sided tape over here, and our car is ready to program. In the next upcoming tutorials, I will be programming this car kit using Arduino Uno, Raspberry Pi Pico and ESP32. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.